Ladies and gentlemen, how many of you have set a goal, whether personal, professional, or academic, only to feel discouraged when progress seemed slow? How many of you have ever thought about quitting because success felt out of reach? If you have ever felt like giving up, you're not alone. But today, I want to remind you of one simple truth. Success doesn't belong to the smartest, the fastest, or the luckiest. It belongs to those who refuse to quit. Perseverance is the bridge between where you are now and where you want to be. It's not about talent, it's not about luck. It's about showing up, pushing forward, and refusing to give up no matter how tough things get. Success is not instant, it's earned through perseverance. In today's world, we are surrounded by stories of overnight success, but the truth is there is no such thing. Behind every success story is years of effort, failures, and relentless persistence. Example, did you know that it took Thomas Edison over 10,000 attempts to invent the light bulb? When asked about his failures, he simply said, I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Key lesson, every setback, every failure, every delay is not a stop sign. It's a stepping stone. The only way you fail is if you quit. The power of consistency. Most people quit not because they lack ability, but because they lack consistency. The greatest athletes, entrepreneurs, and artists don't wake up successful. They show up every day no matter what. Example, Kobe Bryant, one of the greatest basketball players of all time, was known for his insane work ethic. While others slept, he trained. While others rested, he kept practicing. His perseverance made him a legend. Action step. What is one small step you can take every day toward your goal? Success is not built in a day, but it is built daily. Turning obstacles into opportunities. Many people see challenges as roadblocks, but those who persevere see them as opportunities to grow. Example, J.K. Rowling was rejected 12 times before Harry Potter was finally published. Imagine if she had given up after the first rejection. The world would have never known one of the most beloved book series of all time. Key lesson, rejection, failure, and struggle are part of the journey. The difference between success and failure is simple. Do you stop or do you keep going? Find your why. Perseverance isn't just about pushing through difficulties. It's about having a strong reason to keep going. Ask yourself, why did I start this journey? What will happen if I don't give up? Who am I doing this for? Example, Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison fighting for equality in South Africa. He never gave up because he had a purpose bigger than himself. Action step, write down your why. When times get tough, remind yourself of the reason you started. Success is closer than you think. Most people quit right before they are about to succeed. Imagine digging for gold, stopping inches away from striking it. Example, Howard Schultz, the founder of Starbucks, was rejected 242 times before investors believed in his vision. Today, Starbucks is a global empire. Key lesson, you never know how close you are to success. Keep going. Success is not about luck. It's not about talent. It's about perseverance. When you feel like quitting, remember why you started. When you face failure, see it as a lesson, not a loss. When progress feels slow, trust that every step forward matters. Because in the end, the people who win are the ones who refuse to give up. As Winston Churchill once said, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. So keep going, keep believing, keep pushing. Your breakthrough is coming. Thank you.